Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a group on Snapchat. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch the video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, before getting started, make sure to update your application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat application. So once you open up your Snapchat application, tap on the chat icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. So after you tap on the chat icon on the other page, you will be directed to the chat page, and in the bottom right corner you can see there is a blue icon. Simply tap on it. So after you tap on it on the other page, right on top you can see there is an option called new group. Just simply tap on it. So after you tap on it, now you'll have to select the contact or the users that you actually want to add on group chat. And you can add as many contacts as possible in one particular group chat. So all you have to do is select the username just like this, and after you're done, right on top give a name to a group. So after you're done giving a name, tap on chat with group, which is right at the bottom. As you can see that the group has been created. So that is how you can create a group chat on Snapchat. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.